The Bible says something sad. This man was blind from when?
38 years. 38 years.
That was the lame man at the pool.
From his bed.
That was the lame man at the pool. That was the lame man at the pool for 38 good years. It was lame. But now the Bible said this one was blind. The full day that his parents gave birth to him, the man has never seen the light of day. May this man never know if someone is close to him, it is beautiful or ugly. Meaning in that man, I don't believe there is sin in him. But the Bible says, unfortunately, as God may have it, as God may plan it, somebody pastor is greater than the man. Somebody is more wonderful. Decide to do something. The Bible says, and Jesus passed through that road that same day. It was not for another person's sake, but for my sake. It was not for another person's sake, for my family's sake, for Father of SNM ministry's sake. The Bible says, when he passed through the place, he saw somebody that is crying. How will I pay my house rent? How will I finish this my money and pay? How will I heal? How will I be healed of my infirmity? Many of us are sick that without nobody know. We have one problem we are going through. Nobody is nobody, even our wife does not know. Even our husband does not know what we are going through. Our father don't know what we are going through. But somebody know. Many people know. God know. You know. Even the devil is aware of it. But listen to me. Every time your hand is always on your door, asking yourself, why is this problem in my life? Are you still in that place where we reading? John? Is it John?
John 9.
John 9. Oh, read verse 9 down. Look at what it says. Oh, let me read from this Bishop Bible.